Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Beast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my latest additions to my Majorette collection. Alright, I went to seek some specific Majorette models, which is a 13 cabs model, 13 cabs series in Australia, but unfortunately they were not in pegs where I was looking and at that time. So I ended up buying these three because I didn't have these ones in my collections, and I bought two from each models because these ones are very nice, more detailed models, so I can do the wheel swap and do some customers as well. So I'll show these ones to you one by one. All right, this is, so see the casting. See this one, as you guys can see, this is these ones are $499 in Australia, so not cheap like Hot Wheels, but it is very worth for the price. So check this out. This is a Toyota Corolla Altis model. Actually, I've got all the color variants of Majorette Thai Taxi series, which is from this specific model. Thanks to Majorette Australia, he sent all the color variants to me last year. Thanks for that. And this is the latest addition I bought to my Corolla series. So this is sort of pinkish color. It has all the details as previous models: Toyota logo, plastic headlights, fog lamp details. So that's interesting. Fog light details as well. If you check rear, Toyota logo, Toyota badge. Wow, pretty cool casting, and these ones got shocks as well. So that's a bit special from Majorette, as always. All right, number two. Toyota Hiace. I still can't remember these models. You know, when I was schooling, I went on a school service. This type of a van. This took me to the past actually, and this one is $499 as well. Let's check this casting. Oh, it's a bit heavy. Yeah, you can expect that one. This is a big casting, so a bit heavy. No shocks. Oh yeah, it has shocks, but front wheel there's something wrong with this front wheel. Anyways, so check out the front. Toyota logo, very plain casting. It has this pearl white color, bit shiny, so I guess this is the pearl white. And plastic headlights, typical Majorette wheels, painted tail lights, brake light, logo, Hiace brand, Hiace logo as well. And if you check inside, you can see 3 rows of seats in the back and front seat details as well. If you check closely, you can see the handrest and the third seat in the middle, and the gear shifter as well. Wow, pretty cool. And these door handles as well, they have included the door handle details as well, just painted stuff, but pretty cool casting by Majorette. Thumbs up for this one. Oh, and last but not least, there you go. This is my favorite out of these three. This is Toyota Hilux. I was searching this one for a long time, but anyways, found it. Same price, $499. Toyota Hilux Revo. I don't know why it's called Revo, because in Australia it's top of the range called what do you call that one? TRX or something. Yeah, so anyways, Revo maybe in Europe. So this one got the bluish color variant. And what's wrong here? Oh, there's something wrong in the paint job. Anyways, I'm using this one as my custom, so not a problem at all. I got another version as well. So if you check rear, you can see all the details: Hilux, Revo, tray opening handle, Toyota logo, brake lights, and Toba as well. See how cool is that one? There you go, Toba. Nice. Hilux logo here as well. Door handles. Nice. Fog lights. Good job, Majorette. So thanks for watching, guys. So if you guys haven't subscribed me yet, please hit subscribe button, hit like as well, make put comments. If you guys like to share your videos with me, please do so. If you guys have any I'm pretty I like to join with you guys with some conversations going on regarding diecast models, and happy to share stuff available in Australia with you guys as well. So leave a comment, and yeah, visit my Instagram page as well, Diecast Beast, and follow us on your Facebook as well. So this is my YouTube channel. Please hit subscribe button if you haven't done it, if you haven't subscribed me yet. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll come up with another video soon. So see you later. Bye.